So one type of beamforming is what we call static beamforming. And it's used, again, where we have maybe a tower and many different types of directional antennas to give a fixed radiation pattern. Now, the static beamforming is going to use multiple directions clustered together, aimed away from the center, but you might notice that it may alternate in which channel they're using and which frequency they're using. Because one of the problems we have, as you saw with many of those polar charts, is that even though we have this beam width, remember we talked about how to determine what the beam width is, we might still have some overlap of that beam that could interfere with the neighboring antenna. So what we're doing is we're making sure we don't interfere, at least in this example, not only on the channels but also on the frequencies that we're using. And we've got them, again, on a pole, on a tower, wherever it is, aimed away from the center point so that we get coverage over a large geographical distance.